In this precious moment of now, I recognize the ever-present and all-encompassing divine intelligence is the infinite source of all health, harmony, and the perfect functioning of every organism in the universe. It is the heart of life itself, eternally pulsating in every point of space and time with vibrant, renewing, and healing energy. I take a deep breath and recognize that the essence of my being is one with this omnipotent and omnipresent force of health and harmony. I am inextricably connected to this divine source, a vibrant manifestation of its living, breathing, and harmonious expression. This divine presence lives in me as me, coursing through every cell, tissue, and fiber of my being, orchestrating a symphony of excellent health and harmonious functioning. I am grounded in the awareness that every cell, every tissue, and every organ in my body is a marvel of divine engineering, functioning with precision, harmony, and optimal health. I affirm that the divine intelligence governs all processes of my body, guiding each function to work in perfect harmony for greater health, vitality, and well-being. I see my immune system functioning optimally, shielding me from illness and swiftly restoring any imbalance. My mind is clear, focused, and serene, a reflection of the order and peace that pervades my entire being. I visualize a harmonious rhythm in my breath, a steady beat in my heart, and a joyful flow of vibrant energy in every part of my being. I let go of all fears, anxieties, and limiting beliefs about my health. I embrace a conscious awareness of my body's innate healing capacity, supported by a lifestyle that nourishes and honors this divine vessel. I am open to receiving guidance on ways to support my body's harmony, aligning with activities, nourishments, and thoughts that promote well-being. With a joyful heart, I express my gratitude for the health and harmony permeating my body now. I thank the divine source for its constant presence, nurturing and sustaining me, and for guiding me gently towards experiences of greater health, peace, and vitality. With full trust in the infinite divine intelligence, I now release this prayer into the universe, knowing that it is already done. I relinquish all concern, resting in the knowledge that the divine pattern of optimal health and harmony is now manifesting in every aspect of my bodily existence. And so it is.